brake hard, downshift. Once you get to that cone, you want to get off the brakes, let the car roll to the bottom, don't accelerate until the cone, then you get to the cone, go full throttle, pass him on the right. He's already given us the spot, upshift, brake hard, downshift. Okay, off the brakes now, let it roll through the corner, and accelerate back to the right, straighten up the wheel, but go back to the right, little bit of brake, off the brakes, let it roll right up to the curb, drift out to the right, and full throttle to the left. Keep going, don't worry about shifting. Brake hard, downshift. Okay, turn in, off the brakes, let it roll. Turn the wheel, accelerate out to the left, back to the right. Upshift, all the way down to the orange cones. And brake, turn in, off the brake. Accelerate straight through there, back to the left. Little bit of brake, turn in, nice and tight. Go, full throttle, all the way out to the left. You got a good driving line, buddy, good driving line. Follow the RA, upshift. Keep going all the way down. Last cone, last braking cone. Brake hard, downshift, very good. Okay, ease off the brakes. Turn in, tighter, and go. Full throttle, all the way out. You got it. Keep going, upshift. Brake, pass him on the right, brake hard. Oh, turn in. Off the brakes, turn in. Just
Sorry about that.
That's okay, back to the right, just smoothing everything out, okay? Little bit of brake, turn in, off the brakes, nice and tight to the left, drift to the right, and full throttle to the left, go. Upshift, brake hard, downshift. Okay, turn in, off the brake.